Who finish it? Everybody finish it. I want person to let them eat the food. You know, the bags there. Hey, what's up guys, welcome back to the channel. It's your boy Tata here, kicking off another vlog. So now the place kinda dark. People, but bam, the place kinda dark people, but I don't know, it's the next vlog. I'm very kinda interested. I got Port Royal. Last night we got past the same road we travel upon last night, you understand me? So just tune in and stay, subscribe for more and look out for this thing boy, it's almanac thing we look on this morning.
I swear. You know see girl yet? Hold on, look me see nothing yet. How this are coming out?
Not knowing that so man.
Big bumper. ABC electrical go hard. ABC electrical and Magnum are going.
Yeah, back to the vlog now. That day I get from bad to road. I be a traffic up on the road. I should be able to pass out the eye. Say that go by hand. Up the clean man. No, you can't go so. The road black. Ayo, this worse than yesterday na? So at least I can't turn back and go in this direction now. I can't go back so. How far you go reach? How far you not go reach? Man, guys, is that? Yeah, sandz cars over. Sandz laka. You left them still go, but once we have access to reach there right now. One back to over traffic, nothing now move, we not go no direction, no improvement now. Like my plan to keep all the party on the roadside. Apparently sandz lock off. Yeah. And them still have bored themselves to go.
This is our first.
Slowly. I'm taking cheap food. Anyways. Yes about it man.
Wonder if them can eat. I'm hungry.
We're on the table, the whole table brother. But I had that, yes, the clear up under that table and the plastic. And that right now.
So, how about some? I heard about plastic.
So check it out. Because people still like to talk about it.
And then see, you know.
And they might reach out at the airport side.
It's after the journey reach road, I would have to tell me, I say, boy, a 3 piece of KFC don't seem so bad right now, you know.
Yeah, so would never eat that. We rather go to bed down by KFC right now. One chicken, but I got a chicken in there, trust me, you know. When you talk about shrimp.
I was going to other country. I'm saying, tell me I'm dead. But I lost. Conk.
So it's the kind of right there, brother, what country?
Some of them country want to get conk. And people I say shrimp and say swims.
Swims.
And the people come and buy a Riesling and say Swiss. I'm probably gonna go smoke. That's all we get.
Yeah guys, what's up? Alright, so the reason why you see me not have two video my face, I through the place dark and at night. I'm flashing on my face because I kinda look too ugly. Man, I'm hungry. I just wake up as you can see, lip white. That not ready. You understand? So yeah. But they have Glorias out of one here. Hungry to talk to me right now. Yeah. Mash up some food. Yeah, the traffic too hard. Sandz going too bad. John no start. Food, Mr. Steven now. My order was the weirdest order. My order curry chicken, curry fish and fries. Who the hell does that? Yeah.
Probably mine.
Spoon. So that's all for decoration.
Right?
Nothing. Thank you. I showed them, right? Like it's not rice and peas.
Let me rice and peas on the Thursday and Friday. I like to have the same one rice and peas.
Yeah.
Oh, rough.
Alright, friends. Somebody carry the other rice? What is that?
Shrimp in pasta. Then you take off the tail. I hate when them do that. I hate that.
Somebody can come buy curry fish. It's alright still.
Yeah, the brown sugar is so nice too.
You don't have saw-like teeth, you don't buy fried bammy at Glorias. You buy the steam one, that's really very
Right,
nice.
so when I move like a portion of the fish, eh? Look at it.
Oh, you're afraid, eh?
You tell us I'm afraid of what?
Don't eat the food, eat the fish.
It will be serious in due time. Who finish eating? Everybody finish eating. I one person will let them eat the food. You know, I had the box there. Thank you.
So you are giving up to your own.
You eat off my one. Evidence.
He wants the onions.